Hi, it's me once again with your math solutions. In this video, we'll be talking about algebraic factors and factorizations. But before we continue, I'd like you to do me a favor. Like this video, share after watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get back to business. In the previous video, we talked about factors and multiples of a number. But now in this video, we're going to talk about factors of algebraic expressions. Let's take, for example, we have an algebraic expression like this, 6ab. And we need to get the factors of this expression. Let's take a look. So you have 6ab. For numbers, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, we have 6. Okay? Now in terms of A, you have A, you have 2A, you have 3A, and you have 6A. And in terms of B, you have B, you have 2B, you have 3B, and you have 6B. Then in terms of AB, you have AB, you have 2AB, you have 3AB, and you have 6AB. All these are factors of 6AB. So let's look at finding the factors of 5c squared d. So we're going to find it in numerical terms, in terms of c, d, cd, c squared d. Okay? So in numerical terms, the factors is what? The factors are 1 and 5. Okay? In terms of c, the factors are c and 5c. In terms of c squared, you have c squared and 5c squared. In terms of d, you have d and 5d. In terms of cd, you have cd and 5cd. Then in terms of c squared d, you have c squared d and 5c squared d. So these are the factors of this algebraic expression. So let's look at finding the HCF of 15ab squared and 24a squared b. So first of all, you have to express the terms as a product of its factors. Okay? So you have 15ab squared is the same as saying is equal to 1 times 3 times 5 times a times b times b. This is the product of, this is not necessary because looking at product of the prime factors of 15ab squared. Then this one, 24a squared b, is something as saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times a times b. So we pick the common factors. We have 3 common here. 3, we take 3. We have a, take a, and we have b, we have b. So 3ab is the highest common factor of 15ab squared and 24a squared b. So finding the HCF of algebraic expressions is very, very important for us, especially when we get to factorize. Let's look at factorization. Factorization is basically the opposite of removing brackets. This time you're trying to express an algebraic terms in terms of its factors. Okay, so let's take, for example, you have 15ax plus 10a. Okay, you're trying to bring out the factors, what they have in common. Okay, you have 15ax and you have 10a. What do they have in common? You have 5. Okay, 5 is a factor of 15 and 10, is the highest factor of 15 and 10. Then ax and a, you have a. Okay, so brackets. When you take 15a from here, you have 3x remaining, and you have 2 here. So 5a is a factor of this term, and 3x plus 2 is also a factor. So this is like a product of terms, product of factors of this original expression. Let's look at 14py minus 16p squared. Okay, the highest common factor between 24 and 16 is 8. Then py and p squared, you have p. So you open up your brackets. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. Then py divided by p is y. Minus 16 divided by 8, you have 2. P squared divided by p, you have p. Okay, so you have 8p brackets 3y minus 2p. There is no common factor. You have a is common between the two, b is not, and x is. So when you take ax from this term, you have 3b, and when you take ax from this, you have 5d. Okay, so a product of this and this will give you this term. So let's look at factorizing this expression. You have 4b squared minus 2b. Okay, of course, the common factors, you have 2, the highest common factor is 2b bracket, you have 2b minus 1. That's the answer. I hope you learned how to factorize from this video, because this is the beginning of many factorizations we shall be doing. So it's important you understand it well and practice as many questions as possible. If you have any questions, any topics you'd like us to discuss, please use the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.